everyone, I'm going to make some cornbread, and there's nothing nicer than when it's hot and fresh out of the oven with lashings of butter. It's super quick and easy. The ingredients are easy to source. There is just one ingredient, which is maize meal. It's this that you probably will be able to find in most supermarkets and probably local shops as well. If you can get hold of this super maize meal, you'll find it's such a quick and easy recipe to make. I'm going to be using this little cup, which is 225 mils for the measurements. Let's get into making it. You want a bowl and a sieve. In the sieve goes a cup of maize meal, a cup of plain flour, a quarter of a cup of sugar. Now I'm using under a quarter of a cup, but it depends on your sweet tooth. I find just under is fine for me. It's not too sweet. A small teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and just sieve all those ingredients into the bowl. Okay, so once that's all sieved in, just add 2 eggs, 2 medium eggs, a cup of milk. You can use semi-skimmed or whole milk, it doesn't matter. And then you want some creamed corn, and I'm using this creamed corn by Libby's, and you can get this from the supermarket really easily. That goes in. Once all those ingredients are in, just fold everything in, mix it together. Then I just pour it into a greased 23cm ring mould. Then put it in a hot oven for about 40-45 minutes. Mine's a fan oven, so it's about 180 degrees. It comes out the oven golden brown, and you know it's cooked because it springs back when you touch it. And if you put a knife in the middle and it comes out clean, you know it's cooked. I've let it cool down, and I just take a plate, pop it over the top. I did price it away from the edges a little bit, and then give it a good shake, and it should come out easily. Turn it over. Just cut it up into nice thick chunks, spread with butter and serve hot, and you can even warm it up in the microwave the next day. I've got this recipe from my lovely mother-in-law, who's 90 next year and lives in South Africa. In fact, I'm going to a birthday party next year. So this recipe was passed on down through the generations, and her mother used to make it, except they used to steam it, and they used to make the creamed corn themselves. I bet that steam recipe was really nice. I'm really warm now after all that baking. It's a really hot day out. I shall leave how I made it in the description below. Do check it out. It's a really quick and easy recipe to make. Thank you for watching, and I shall see you next time.